Before watching this video, remember to subscribe. Green tea is one of the most popular hot beverages in the world. It is traditionally used in the countries of the Far East, predominantly China and Japan. Chinese green tea is made with the leaves of the Camellia sinensis. Green tea is slowly becoming increasingly popular in other parts of the world due to its many health benefits. Some of the green tea benefits include antioxidants. Green tea is rich in a compound known as Epigallocatechin Gallate or EGCG. This compound is a powerful antioxidant. It inhibits the growth of cancer cells and also lowers the levels of harmful cholesterol in the body. In fact, although most Japanese men are heavy smokers, the instances of heart disease in Japan are lower than those in the US. Studies suggest that this is linked to the prevalent usage of Japanese green tea in Japan. Fat burners. Green tea leaves produce a lot of heat during the process of digestion. Regular consumption of green tea can help to boost your metabolism. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to share and give it a thumbs up. Drinking green tea also retards the action of the digestive enzyme amylase. Amylase is used to metabolize carbohydrates. Thus, a green tea drink can help with spikes and dips in blood sugar levels that lead to binge eating. There are many such green tea weight loss products available in the market, including green tea powder, green tea pills, green tea capsules, and green tea supplements. Prevent tooth decay. Another one of the many benefits of green tea is its potency as an antibacterial compound. Regular consumption of green tea can help to prevent tooth decay. So the next time you want to try a refreshing beverage, why not reach for one of those green tea bags instead of a soda or a cup of coffee? Ginger green tea is a delicious drink that not only tastes good but rids your mouth of all harmful bacteria. Energy green tea also contains significant amounts of caffeine and can act as an energy booster. In addition to an energy boost, you will also get all the other benefits of green tea. For those who wish to avoid caffeine, you can also enjoy your green tea decaffeinated. Green tea is also available as green tea ginseng, which gives you the combined benefits of ginseng and green tea. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos.